Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company with another lovely prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1983 Yamaha RD250 in the Mars bar colours with lovely gold accents and gold wheels. This can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Just £1.99 and the draw will take place on the 30th of August, which is Sunday at 10 PM. So like I said, this is a fully restored example, absolutely fantastic condition. It was fully stripped and rebuilt, including the engine. Got these lovely gold accents throughout the bike. So the lovely gold wheels, lots of gold anodized nuts and bolts. So it's a bit of like kind of a show-ish kind of bike really. Engine sounds fantastic too. Got the original silencers as well. What I'll do, I'll start her up. We've got a little bit of heat in there, so we can give it a bit of a rev. It does rattle a little bit. Just needs tightening the kickstart, so I'll put that there whilst you listen to it. And very smooth engine as well. So there we are. If you fancy a ticket, like I said, they're £1.99. The draw will take place on the 30th of August, just Sunday at 10 PM. If you fancy a ticket, go to the website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. And if you do enter, thank you for your support and good luck.